Mihira, taking time for yourself is essential for managing stress. It's not selfish, it's self-care. When you constantly focus on others, you can neglect your own needs, leading to burnout. Finding activities you enjoy, whether it's reading, spending time in nature, or simply relaxing with a cup of tea, can help you recharge. Setting boundaries is crucial. It's okay to say no to additional commitments if you're feeling overwhelmed. Mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing can help you manage stress in the moment. Remember, taking breaks isn't about being unproductive. It's about enhancing your overall well-being and ability to cope with challenges. MIHIRAA, teaching effective breastfeeding techniques is incredibly important for both you and your baby. It's about creating a comfortable and successful experience for you both, and it's a vital part of your journey as a new mother. The techniques we'll go over are designed to prevent common issues like nipple damage, which can be very painful and make you dread feeding time. By ensuring your baby has a proper and deep latch, we can help protect your skin and allow you to focus on the beautiful bonding experience instead of discomfort. A good latch also ensures effective milk transfer, so your baby gets all the nourishment they need to grow and thrive. When they feed efficiently, they'll be satisfied and healthy, and this will help maintain your milk supply. Moreover, these techniques are meant to promote comfort for you. Breastfeeding should feel natural and easy, not like a chore. By finding the right position and hold, you can avoid back and shoulder pain and truly enjoy these quiet moments with your little one. As we go through this, please feel free to ask any questions. It's also very important for you to let me know about any changes you experience in pain or any new concerns that come up, even if they seem minor. Your body and your baby's needs can change, and your feedback is key to making sure we can address any issues right away. Are there any other concerns you have right now about breastfeeding or anything else?